Hello, in this video I'm going to go over how to fix the issue where you ended up with multiple tokens for EMN in Authy. So the first thing you want to do is click on the little gear wheel in the top right corner. We'll go ahead and do that. And then bottom middle, go ahead and click on Accounts, which will take you to this screen. From here, you'll see under Authenticator accounts, we have 3 eMedical Notes accounts, so just go ahead and delete them all. Click Yes, swipe, delete, yes. Before I continue, since we're on this screen, if you don't have backup enabled in the top, go ahead and click on that to make it green like this, and then it'll ask you to create a backup password. Once you do that and create a password, Authy will start to back up your tokens. This is good for in case you switch in phones or somehow you want to install Authy on a different phone, whatever the case may be. Once you enter in the account, when you set up Authy, it'll download all your tokens and restore them to your device. So it's always good to do the backup. Go ahead and click Exit, which will take us back to the main screen. You'll see now that we have no accounts. So in order to add the account, we're going to click on your name in the top right corner here. Go ahead and click on Set Up My Authy Code, which will take you to this screen. And from here, we'll just do Add Account. We'll click on Scan QR Code. We'll point our camera to the screen. It'll scan the QR code. It'll ask you to search for a logo. We're going to hit cancel in the top right. Please do not hit cancel in the top left. If you do, it'll cancel this process and you'll have to start all over. So click cancel. Then we'll select the logo, click on generic, click continue. It'll ask to name the account. You can either leave it as the default eMedical Notes account, you can change it, or you can just click save. Once you do that, it'll add the token. You'll see that it added successfully. We'll click save here. We'll do log out, and let's log in to make sure it works. And we'll type in our code here, and we're good to go. If you have any issues, then please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.